Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix switch user disabled or grayed out in Windows 7. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Click regedit. Click H key local machine. Click software. Click Microsoft. Click Windows. Click current version. Click Policies. Click System. Double-click Hide Fast User Switching. Change value to 0. Close and exit registry. Log off your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.